Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to read our chapter number 3, Who has the real wisdom? Okay, who has the real wisdom means बुद्धिमान. विजडम मीन्स बुद्धिमान. ओके, वाइज लाइक बुद्धिमान. तो सबसे ज़्यादा बुद्धिमानी किस में है, कौन है जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा बुद्धिमानी है? तो हम इस चैप्टर में, मैं आपको पहले समरी बता देती हूँ कि इस चैप्टर में क्या है, फिर देन हम रीड करेंगे. इस चैप्टर में एक ओल्ड वूमन है जो चाहता है वो अपनी मम्मी जो उसके 2 सन है और वो चाहता है कि वो जितनी भी मनी है वो सिर्फ एक ही अपने सन को गिवन करे. सो दैट उसने अपने सन को 2 रुपीज़ दिए एंड कहा कि जाओ चेक कर आओ, इस 2 रुपीज़ में तुम्हें 1 रुपी वापस लेकर आना है. 1 रुपी के अंदर तुम्हें देखना है कि कौन घर के लिए अच्छे के लिए क्या कर सकता है और ओनली तुम्हारे पास 2 डेज़ है. ओके, तो तुम्हें जाके कुछ ऐसा करना है जो अच्छा हो, अपने फुलफ़िल करे विशेस को. ठीक है, तो बुद्धिमानी उसमें से पता चल जाएगी. ठीक है, तो 1 रुपीज़ उसको उनको दिया और कहा जाओ मार्केट और ये पैसे हैं, तुम जाओ उसे, और 1 रुपी से ज़्यादा तुम्हें खर्च नहीं करना है. ठीक है, तो एक जो उसका सन है वो क्या लेकर आता है, एक ऐसे यूँ चारा लेकर आता है दिस टाइप, और जो दूसरा है वो कैंडल लेकर आता है. तो कैंडल क्या है, घर में रोशनी कर देता है, सो दैट ही इज़ वेरी वाइज. ओके, सो ही गेव ऑल द मनी टू द सेकेंड सन. सो नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग टू रीड दिस चैप्टर. This chapter is a story and an old man who wanted to give his all the money to one of his 2 sons who is more intelligent, so he decided to their rest of their विजडम. सो इसमें हमने यही देखा कि ओल्ड मैन जो है वो अपना जितना भी मनी है वो अपने एक को ही देना चाहता है अपने 2 में से, जो बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट हो, वाइज हो. सो लेट्स रीड. ओके, लॉन्ग अगो देयर लिव्ड एन ओल्ड merchant. He used to work hard from the morning till late at night. As a result, he earned a lot of money. As the time passed, he earned a lot of money. With the passage of time, he grew old. One day, he felt he had not to live in this world, but he was very worried what he do with his money. So old man was very rich because in all their life, morning to night, he worked very hard work, so that he made a lot of money. But he now grow very old, so that what to do with this money. So he was very worried. The old merchant had 2 sons. Decided that he would not divide his money between them. He would give it to all the one who proved himself to be wiser of 2. But the greatest problem, how to find out which son is wiser than old. So the old merchant has 2 sons and he didn't want to give the money by sharing. Okay, so but he want to give all the money to the one who is very intelligent, who is very wise. But how to check that who is wise or intelligent? He decided to solve this problem by giving them a test. He called the both son and said, here are 2 rupees, I want you to take 1 rupee each, then go out to the market, buy something which you can fill this house. You are not spend more than 1. So he gave 1 rupee to the each of the son and said that go and buy something that you can fill this house. Okay, both the sons look at him. If he had taken leave for his sons, they were reluctant to take the rupee, but the old man said, off you go, and not to take long over the business. You should come back within a couple of days. Couple of days means 2 days. So both the son were not were not satisfied, but they have to go and buy something with 1 rupee, but they had not even a long time, only they have a 2 days. So each of son took up a rupee and left the house. The first son walked through the market and he found nothing that would serve to the purpose. He went on wandering the whole day, but all in vain. He was about to give up such a despair. He saw a bullock cart with a load of hay. So one children was wandering, like was visiting all the, पूरे दिन वो क्या कर रहा था, घूम रहा था, but all was waste. ठीक है. At the last he saw a bullock cart. You know ना बैलगाड़ी क्या होती है? bullock cart with a lot of hay, जहाँ पे बहुत सारा क्या था? चारा था. ठीक है. So how much I get for a rupee? He asked to the bullock cart. जो ड्राइवर है कार्ट का, उससे पूछा how much can I get for a rupee? He went up to the driver and cart. After a good deal of haggling over the price, he was able to get a lot of hay for a rupee. और उसने सोचा कि भाई 1 रुपये में तो बहुत सारा मिल जाएगा. So the young man led off the cart with a hay to his father's house, but when the hay was in the found, there was not enough to cover ever the floor, let alone fill the whole house. अब उसने देखा कि 1 रुपये की घास से तो अपना फ्लोर पूरा कवर होगा ही नहीं. ठीक है, तो उसका वो 1 रुपी वेस्ट हो गया. एंड सेकेंड एंड ऑल्सो वेंट आउट विद दिस रुपी. He happened to the rich shop where the candles were sold. He spent his money on the candles. Taking the candles, he came back to his father's house. अब जो सेकंड सन था उसके पास भी 1 रुपी था, बट उसने क्या परचेज़ करी? कैंडल्स परचेज़ करी. ठीक है, और सारा उसने मनी कैंडल्स पे उसने है ना स्पेंड किया, और वो वापस वो कैंडल्स लेके घर आ गया. और वो बहुत क्या हो रहा था? इट इज़ गेटिंग डार्क. गेटिंग डार्क मीन्स अंधेरा हो रहा था. he stood 2 of 3 candles in each room, then he lit them. अब देखो वो जैसे अंधेरा हो रहा था वो घर में गया और 2-3 कैंडल्स उसने जलाई. At once the house was filled with light. और पूरा घर रोशनी से भर गया. His father was very happy with him and said, my son, you have shown the true wisdom. I am willing to hand over all money to you. और सारा पैसा किसको दे दिया? इसको, because he is very wise. उसे पता था कि कम पैसों में कितना क्या मुझे खरीदना चाहिए. So we have completed this chapter. Now you have to do this word power in the copy, tick the correct and fill ups. Okay kids, I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.